So
that's where she's hitting.
Pre-class fun. Chuck was getting frustrated of where the trunk is hitting and why is it shifting over when it's almost closed. Man's a genius.
No.
Yes, you are. We'll just tell people that. Science! Simple science. Well,
So that's the big one right there. That's the big one.
Yep.
how's the other side look? The other side's kind of rounded inward, huh?
This is rounded up a little bit, and it's hitting right there. So what we're going to have to do is get this thing located and then address that shift at the end. We want to work this line, and what I will get there.
Yeah.
This has got to go over just a little bit, and it's got to go forward just a little bit.
Not bad, though.
No. We first started on this, Paul. We had a huge gap here, and it was tight up there. You can see where that clamp just barely rubs it, and then we'd get out to here, and we had a big,
It was
big gap.
huge. Now it's pretty decent.
Yeah, but we still have to go that way.
Which way? Forward? Yeah.
Yeah, it was the rear fender. That turned out good.
It turned out pretty good. That was last week's.
You were here last week, right?
Well, no, I was driving Leslie Ann Warren to the Camelot Theater.
Oh, no kidding.
Oh, yeah. You had the gig. You had the gig. Someone else just pulled in.
There you go.
We gotta, Chuck, you and I are, I guess, on collect duty whenever everybody's here.
Yeah.
But I bet everybody's gonna be maybe two.
Just don't like the way it goes out.
Goes down, out. Andre! Andre in the house! This is it.
What the fuck?
Everybody's scared of the wind. That's not even windy
It's
yet.
not even raining yet. Tomorrow.
Glenn's here too!
Sure you ain't Lizzo?
Do I look big, fat, and black?
It's about damn time.
Ah! It's not my fault. Try to get in from Rancho Garage with dildos.
So nice to see you. I forgot what you looked like. Nah, you're still pretty good looking.
I saw him yesterday.
Whoosh.
Heave
Well,
ho!
you can just lean up against it.
Yeah, just kinda-
Casual. Yeah, you don't have to like hammer push. You just have to lean push.
Don't look into the light, Caroline.
Now you're supposed to come to the light. Oh, I just hurt myself. I don't have that.
Give him the gun.
You want to plug it in?
Oh yeah, that helps too.
Yeah, I like that. Might help turn it
Gas is on. Gas is on.
Gas is on, you say?
Welder's on, gas is on.
You don't worry about burning your phone.
I'll be fine.
It's
What am I
fine.
gonna burn?
Your skin.
That's leather.
The skin on his.
Those are safety leather feet. With OSHA
You want
approved.
to see something? Here, I'm gonna show you something. Let's see if I can. Yeah, right there. Okay, so there's a weld burn. There's a weld burn. These are new ones.
Those are like ladies 14, right?
Now they're ladies 10s.
Wow.
I don't like big flip flops. Wow, I can see.
Yeah, auto darkening's fun, huh? You wanna give that a little snip? Who's got the snippies?
Where?
Snippies?
Snippies.
Snippies? It's fine.
Look for an automobile. Oh, that's Sniffies.
It's fine. There you go. It's there.
No, it isn't.
It's 25 thou.
Here. It's got a thing. See the thing?
Yeah.
Why did they get white now? Why did they go dark all of a sudden?
Because you probably looked up to the light and it freaked out.
He was on there all day. You were.
Because I went looking for it.
Rich has
That
some
looks
snippies for you.
perfect.
Rich has snippies for you.
Let me see the snips.
Oh, these are the crappy ones.
I knew it when I grabbed
It's fine. It's only got 25 thousandths of wire. Okay, safety squints on.
Right.
I think I need more heat.
We can give you more
Says
heat
on
in that thing.
That sounded really good.
Nope.
No?
I'm not putting any heat into the metal.
D?
D will should burn through unless you have such a shitty ground or Bondo.
No, I'm on bare metal.
Yeah, but I'm talking where you're welding.
No, there's no. Well, here. Let's just do
Give
this.
it a little kiss.
Oh, I can't.
Oh, plug him back in.
Let me back
Okay,
in.
I'm on it.
Sorry.
Right on top of that road.
Rich is the cord guy
There we
today.
go.
Yeah, see, it didn't even stick. You see that?
Yeah.
No penetration.
Hate it when that happens.
So what we're trying to do, can you swap them?
I did.
Okay. So what we're trying to do is join the two pieces of metal. Push on it again, please. There we go.
You got to get it squared up,
Yeah, yeah,
Sherman.
from the back.
What, here?
Yeah. There you go.
Well, it's not a line all the way right here.
Yeah, I know.
For the
And
white
it's not lining. It doesn't want to line up.
Now it does.
Yeah, no, it's
This is that problem we were running into before. Push on it. Oh, that's better. That's better.
Who's feeling frisky and wants to hold that while he tacks it?
Pardon?
I'm like, who wants to hold that while Chuck's tacking it?
Okay. Push it in again.
yeah, it's still a little bit for the white.
Yep, it is. You know what? Give me that grinder again. Can I do a grinder swap?
Yep.